Hi everybody, this is a quick preview of my site. As you come to the site, it shows a scrolling marquee that just plays automatically when you're not hovering over it, of my work, of a short title, and then a short description underneath. And so you can manually go in and click on these things to see the mock-ups. I'm still working on making a portfolio so that all of them can be have their own page and have additional work or videos or any other views that I have of my design process. So that page is very simple. That's all it is. This page is supposed to just lay out my work. Here's my contact page. I clearly need some professional headshots. Please don't judge that that is a wedding photo. I have a simple contact form right here that I'm not in love with, but I also don't know how to change it yet on Divi. My short description, and then some of my links right here, and my shop over here. I have no idea how to get rid of this box right here. That was one of my challenges. I don't know if you even can get rid of the sidebar on your shop. But here's some of the watercolor cards that I've made. And the biggest thing I learned this semester was how to work with Divi. I know that I've had kind of a rough time in the past figuring out how that worked, and I haven't spent a whole lot of time on WordPress, but it was really fun figuring out how to set up all the trackers and everything else that we needed to, and the videos helped so much. But I have a lot of work to do still for my website to be exactly where I want it and need it to be for future clients and employees. But this is an awesome start. So thanks so much for an awesome semester.